Now we'll start with the question number 2.29. A laser is a source of the very intense monochromatic and unidirectional beam of the light. This property of the laser can be used to measure the long distances. The distance of the moon from the earth has been already determined very precisely using a laser as a source of light. A laser beam at the moon takes 2.56 seconds to return after reflection at the moon surface. How much is the radius of the lunar orbit? Lunar means moon orbit around the earth. Now you know what is a laser. Laser is a monochromatic and very intense source of beam of light. Fine. Laser is the full form of the laser is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Fine. Now you know that laser is one of the indirect method to find out the distance between the moon and the earth. Fine. Now you can see that the time taken by the moon, fine, it is given to us. Suppose this is an earth and this is moon. So from the earth you are giving the laser light. So when it reaches to the surface of the moon or the orbit of the moon, it reflects back. Fine. So if x distance is travelled from earth to moon, so similarly the x distance is travelled, that is an echo. Fine. That is a reflection which comes from the surface or the orbit of the moon. So the total distance which is travelled by the laser beam is what? 2x. Fine. Now you know that laser travels with the speed of the light. That fine. And speed of the light we denote it by c. So distance is equal to speed into time. So if you need to find out x can be written as c into t upon 2. Fine. So here also the same thing, we need to find out what is the radius of the lunar orbit around the earth. That means we need to find out what is the distance of the moon from earth. We need to find out x. Now x formula from this theory you can write c into t upon 2. What is speed of the light in vacuum? That is 3 into 10 raised to 8. You know laser beam travels with the speed of light in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8. And what is the time given to us? For the reflection, the time taken would be equal to what? 2.56, which is given. You divide by 2. So required answer comes out to be what? 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 meter. I hope you understand.